Soul Vegan Cuisine here in Atlanta, Georgia at your DeKalb Farmers Market to shop for ingredients for my Cuban rice and beans and succulent pulled mushrooms, a flavorful vegan twist on Cuban cuisine. So guys, let's get started. So what I like to do when I come here to the farmer's market is obviously pick through and find the freshest cilantro. This is a unique ingredient that we're using for the recipe and Cuban cuisine, cilantro, and also the cousin, culantro, is also a unique ingredient in this. So we want to look for the freshest leaves possible. Again, this is a very wonderful flavor that is imparted by using these leaves when you cook Cuban cuisine as well as the cilantro. So one of the other ingredients that's very important to look for is a nice lively bunch of oregano. It's going to add a beautiful aromatic notes to your dish as well. So also another herb that is important in Cuban cuisine is also the mint. I just love that smell. And when it's combined with garlic, onion, oregano, and peppers, it's just incredible, the aroma that you get from this. This is a nice, the leaves are very firm, they're not mushy, fresh. For the most part, you just pick through and find the best one that you can. And this one looks pretty good. Some great fresh looking red bell peppers or green bell peppers in Cuban cuisine. So we're looking for the freshest. Okay, and see, you got to look out for little bruises or damage that your bell pepper may have. That's not good. So you keep sifting through until you can find that perfect bell pepper for your recipe. See, you can't, that's okay, there we go right there. So king trumpet mushrooms, one of the things that I love to do is recreate traditional Cuban dishes. And one of the things that's the hardest, I think, in the plant kingdom to mimic would be like a pulled pork. However, it is, I'm so excited because these mushrooms can actually mimic that pulled pork texture and even flavor, because we're going to season this traditionally as we would do in Cuba. So the end product using signature kitchen suite appliances is going to make these mushrooms the most succulent, delicious mock pork dish that you've ever tasted. So one of the things I love about your DeKalb Farmers Market is their bulk spices. Literally, they have a department dedicated to putting these spices out and herbs daily. You know, grinding them, putting them in these containers. The prices here are unmatchable. The cumin seed. The cumin seed is, at least what I do with it, is I take it, I lightly toast it, and then ground it. It just is a much more robust flavor for your dishes. The other ingredient that we use is bay leaves in Cuban cuisine, and one of the things that you can't really find anywhere else is the ground bay leaves. Of course, you can grind them yourself at home, but it's so convenient and it's really, really fantastic. 68 cents for ground bay leaves. That's going to add just a beautiful flavor to your dishes. Okay guys, that's a wrap here. We've done our shopping. Now we're heading back to Guy Gunner Home Studios, where we are going to showcase signature kitchen suite appliances and do all our cooking